Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to increase or decrease your connection timeout values in your LoadRunner web HTML scripts. So how do we increase or decrease and why we increase or decrease? So let's take a scenario like you have downloading some huge application from your app application as a part of your testing. And if the downloading file is taking or to respond from the response of the server is taking more than 2 minutes generally, and that was the expected response time from your business application. Then, if we need to increase our response time just to support for 3 minutes as an expected response time, and if your load runner will throw an exception of connection timed out just after 2 minutes because the default value for your load runner is 120 seconds. So to change or to edit the value of your connection timer, just open runtime settings. In runtime settings, go to the preferences. You have preferences here. Under the preferences, you will have an HTTP option here. HTTP. If you go to the HTTP, here we have a connection timed out and connection timed out and connection received timed out. Connection timed out is the time taken to connect to a server, and the time received timed out is a time which the server should receive or respond to our request. So if it is not responded within 2 minutes of your time of your request is sent to server, then it's going to connection timed out for your request. So if you want to increase this value, so we can increase this values to as per the business expectations, expectations and the connection rules of your application. So just if you want to keep the connection timed out the value, so you can make that to 0, or if you don't want to make a connection alive, or you can change your header value as a keep connection, removing the keep connection alive option from your header. So we can use these options to increase or decrease your receive timed out or connection timed out. So if it is a rest call, then we need to decrease this value to like around 20 seconds or 15 seconds, because the REST APIs or SOAP APIs are not expected to respond after 15 seconds or 20 seconds. That 15-20 seconds are a huge worst performance behavior for the REST call. So generally that was an expectation for a REST call. So in that case, just we need to decrease this time frame to the seconds to 15 seconds or 20 seconds. So based on our requirement, we can increase and decrease this value anytime. Thanks for listening this slides.